Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Pockit Prepaid Account Review My Usage Experience. Pockit Prepaid Account Review My Usage Experience offers a prepaid bank account designed for those who may find it difficult to open a traditional bank account. Its main purpose is to provide a safe and accessible way to manage finances, focusing on ease of use and transparency. Key features include a prepaid MasterCard, online banking portal, and the ability to receive wages directly into the account. Their website provides details on all the specific features and fees. Pockit positions itself as a convenient and affordable alternative to traditional banking. They highlight the ease of setup, their transparent pricing with no hidden fees, and the lack of contracts. The technology is based on a prepaid card system linked to an online account. Availability is generally nationwide, and you can check eligibility on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Pockit Prepaid Account Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was incredibly easy. I completed the online application in under 10 minutes, and my card arrived within 3 business days. The online interface is simple and intuitive. I found it very easy to navigate and manage my balance, transfer funds, and check my transaction history. I particularly like the ability to set up direct debits for regular payments, which streamlined my bill paying process. I didn't experience any issues with performance. Transactions were processed quickly and reliably. I had a quick question about topping up my account, and their support team responded within a day via email. Their response was clear and helpful. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was. The standout feature for me was definitely the ease of use and the clear breakdown of fees. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, which would have made managing my account on the go even more convenient. It took me a little while to get used to the slightly different terminology used in the online banking portal compared to traditional banks. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Pockit. It generally met my needs, and I'd recommend it to anyone looking for a straightforward and easy-to-use prepaid account. That's my overview of Pockit Prepaid Account Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.